History of SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a constantly evolving field that has come a long way since its inception in the early 1990s. Here is a brief history of SEO. The concept of SEO began before the inception of Google. According to legend, the band Jefferson Starship served as one of the primary reasons for the term SEO around 1995 to 1997. Promoter Bob Heyman received an angry call from the band when they were on the road and couldn't find their webpage. In 1997, the term SEO was officially coined, and the first search engines were created. In the early days of SEO, anything went in terms of optimization. The rules were fast and loose, and marketers could use hacking practices and leverage keyword stuffing and spammy links to rank higher in search results. In 1998, Google was founded, and it quickly became the most popular search engine. In the early 2000s, search engines began to crack down on spammy SEO tactics, and the focus shifted to creating high-quality content and building high-quality backlinks. In 2011, Google released the Panda algorithm update, which penalized websites with low-quality content, and rewarded those with high-quality content. In 2012, Google released the Penguin algorithm update, which penalized websites with spammy backlinks and rewarded those with high-quality backlinks. Today, SEO is a complex and ever-changing field that requires research and practice to master. The focus is on creating high-quality content, building high-quality backlinks, and providing a great user experience. Overall, SEO has come a long way since its inception in the early 1990s, and it continues to evolve as search engines become more sophisticated. Are you struggling to attract customers and increase your sales online? Introducing our web development and SEO services, designed to skyrocket your visibility and drive more traffic to your website. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. Our expert team of web developers and SEO specialists will work tirelessly to optimize your website, ensuring that it ranks higher in search engine results. With our cutting-edge strategies, we'll help you attract the right audience and turn them into loyal customers. Imagine the impact of having your website appear on the first page of Google's search results. With increased visibility, you'll gain credibility and trust from potential customers, leading to higher conversion rates. Our tailored approach to web development ensures that your site not only looks aesthetically pleasing but also engages visitors, and encourages them to take action. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grow your business exponentially. Take advantage of our web development and SEO services today and increase your sales and profits like never before. Contact us now for a free consultation with our experts who will create a customized plan just for you.